Hey everyone, and welcome to another unique Airbnb stay. It is officially fall, and you know what that means: pumpkin spice, camping, and glamping. We are officially ringing in fall with a very unique Airbnb stay. We're in the beautiful town of Pine Plains, New York, located about an hour and 45 minutes away from the city. And we're staying in, well, I think I'm just gonna show you. After parking your car on the mainland, gear up for your adventure and start by putting on your life jackets, which are provided by the host. On the floating dock, you'll find everything you need to load into the canoe. The host provides all of your beddings, drinking water, and a battery inverter for all of your electronics. While heading to the island, you'll take in the most amazing scenic mountain views. You're sure to feel a sense of serenity while paddling through beautiful scattered fields of lily pads. The island is completely off-grid, so remember that means no electricity, modern plumbing, or Wi-Fi. Before heading into the tent, we'll show you everything else that's included. Just a few feet away, there's a food prep area, which is fully stocked with a cooler, dishware, pots, cutlery, and seasonings. There's also a propane grill that we used to cook a great dinner. You'll also have use of your own fire pit, perfect for roasting marshmallows. And in the evening, sit back, relax, and unwind, and enjoy a night sky full of stars. Just steps away from the tent, you have your private bathroom. And even though it's outdoors, no need to worry because it's still enclosed to ensure privacy. The host provides all of your toiletries, and you can still enjoy the comforts of home with a nice hot shower. And for the highlight, this beautiful safari-style tent provides the ultimate glamping experience. Light and airy with thoughtful touches and beautiful decor, you'll be sure to get a comfortable night's rest. And waking up to this breathtaking view from your own private island is an experience we'll never forget. Located right outside of the tent is a propane fire pit, which provided the perfect evening setting for our outdoor oasis. The host provides you with 2 kayaks, and the next morning I explored all of nature's beauty and did a little beginner's yoga. Our weekend on the island was nothing short of amazing. It's where nature meets modern luxury, and you can be sure that when you book this stay, you'll be provided with a truly unique and unforgettable experience.